Tron. It's not the engine, it's the fuel. Tron is a multifunctional fuel additive that uses enzyme technology. Tron cures and prevents ethanol fuel problems. Tron stabilizes gas for up to 2 years and helps rejuvenate old fuel. Engines powered by Tron treated fuel start easily and run smoothly with fewer emissions and better fuel economy. Tron restores octane to old substandard fuel. Tron disperses water throughout fuel to help prevent phase separation. Tron's enzyme technology eliminates and prevents gum, carbon, and varnish deposits to keep engines running clean and strong. Tron's enzyme formula enhances combustion for a more complete fuel burn, resulting in maximum power and fuel efficiency in all engines. Tron. It's not the engine, it's the fuel.
POR15 Fuel Tank Sealer is a high-tech sealer resistant to all fuels, including the new Stage 2 fuels, which have a higher alcohol content, additives, and solvents. It has superior strength and fuel resistance. Tank must be properly prepared using POR15 Cleaner Degreaser and POR15 Metal Prep before applying POR15 Fuel Tank Sealer. POR15 Fuel Tank Sealer stops rust, corrosion, and leaks. Seals pinholes and seams, is permanently flexible, chemically bonds to metal surfaces, even rusted, is a light gray color for easier viewing inside the tank, and 1 quart is enough to seal a 25-gallon tank. POR15, follow the leader, from rust to finish.
Help restore lost engine power and fuel efficiency with Seafoam IC5 Fuel Injector Cleaner. Just add it to your fuel tank and go. Seafoam's Fuel Injector Cleaner's high concentration formula works through your fuel system to clean fuel injectors and maintain injector spray patterns for better engine performance. Use it regularly to maintain a cleaner engine, recover lost fuel efficiency, and help restore lost power caused by dirty injector fouling. Seafoam's Fuel Injector Cleaner is safe and easy to use. Just pour it in. Better engine performance has never been this easy with Seafoam IC5 Fuel Injector Cleaner.
Rust buildup on the inside of your car or truck's gas tank or other large fuel tank can cause big problems. Flaking rust can plug filters, restrict fuel flow, and clog valves, carburetors, and fuel injectors. Pinholes can form in the metal, and seam welds can be weakened, causing leaks. Replacing the tank can be expensive or impossible, especially in the case of classic automobiles. Or you can save money and restore the tank to like new with the KBS Auto Fuel Tank Sealer Kit. This easy-to-use 3-step system contains everything needed to remove and stop rust inside the tank and permanently seal it with a tough fuel-proof coating. The kit can handle tanks up to 25 gallons in size. KBS Clean thoroughly cleans inside the tank. This high-strength water-based biodegradable cleaner thoroughly removes grime, grease, and other contaminants and is non-toxic. Water-based and biodegradable Rust Blast effectively dissolves rust and tarnish. Rust Blast also etches the metal and leaves a zinc phosphate film for best adhesion of Gold Standard Tank Sealer. Gold Standard Tank Sealer thoroughly seals the tank and provides an exceptionally durable permanent coating. This environmentally safe, single-component, ready-to-use coating bonds strongly inside the tank and seals small pinholes and weld seams. Other tank sealers are little more than paint or adhesive-type coatings that seal poorly, especially when exposed to today's fuels. Gold Standard's formulation uses KBS cross-link coatings technology, which combines a durable molecular structure with a flexible molecular structure to make the coating durable and flexible. The rock-hard finish remains flexible to withstand vibration and repeated expansion and contraction of the tank, so it won't crack or peel. Gold Standard is perfect for use with regular gas, E85 and other ethanol blends, racing fuels, diesel fuel, and biodiesel fuel. Please note, if needed, KBS Strip can be used to remove previous tank coatings. This is done before using the 3-step system. The Auto Fuel Tank Sealer Kit can be used with automotive tanks, RVs, boats, tractors, farm equipment, and other tanks up to 25 gallons. Rust buildup inside the tank can cause big problems, So eliminate rust and permanently seal your tank from leaks and the return of rust with the KBS Coatings Auto Fuel Tank Sealer Kit.
Welcome to this how-to video from POR Products, where we will demonstrate the power of our POR 15 Rust Remover, Rust Dissolving Solution. We will remove the rust from this Model A rim from the 1930s, creating a clean surface for its restoration. Though sanding and scrubbing is not necessary, we've chosen to take a wire brush to this rim to take off any caked-on dirt. Next, we apply some cleaner degreaser to cut through any grease on the rim that will contaminate our rust remover solution, keeping it reusable. Pour rust remover at full strength into a vessel large enough so that your project will be fully submerged in the solution. Make sure all surfaces are wet and ready to soak for the first half hour. Rust remover is a fast-acting formula that is easy to use, biodegradable, and has no odor. After the first half hour, you can see much of the rust is already dissolved away. You can see that the rust remover is working on the detail areas of the rim, but we will submerge it in the solution for another hour. At the hour-and-a-half mark, you can see that we are down to metal and well on our way to a clean surface. We use a small wire brush to work on any stubborn or detail areas, and then submerge again overnight. The next morning, we pull the rim out of the rust remover and we can see that it has done its job. We have a clean surface, even in the small detail areas, ready for a quality restoration. Pour the rust remover back into its containers for use later. It is fully reusable. The last step is rinsing with clean water. This is now ready for POR 15 Rust Preventive Coating. We will also apply POR 15 2K urethane as a color top coat. POR 15 Rust Remover, the rust dissolving solution with professional results.